Guys, I found a pile of ants. I walked in them, but I'm pretty sure I'm fine. So, right now I'm playing Cats Go, which is basically copyright of Pokemon Go. But I had cats in a pajama. I lost it. It's pretty cold here in Myrtle Beach. But this is my mom's phone, so I'm being careful with it. You can see I'm now on the front porch. So yeah, you can see I live up there, which I'm about to show you on the second floor. And yeah, it's not the porch. But my mom's going through some hard time taking my sister and her boyfriend out. She didn't really get my grandma out. She is just making up excuses, I think. That's what my mom said. My sister. But okay, I'm tell you a little bit about my family. So my sister's 20. My grandma's 60 something. My mom's 41 or 42, and I'm 9. So yeah, I can't remember my sister's boyfriend's age, but I'm pretty sure he's around 20, 21. So signing off. Actually, no, I'm not signing off. But I've been watching a couple of videos, toilet paper forts, and my mom said she might do some with me. So she might do one with me sometime. So, I see you all in like 1 second. So yeah, I'm back. Now you can see I live up there. Up there. 207. Probably won't be there for long. And my friend lives right there. And, well, I live at Lazy Bee. And there's my grandma. I'm mixed. My dad's white. My mom's black. I'm not being racist or anything, but yeah. You can see this funny looking man walking. Before he was just sitting on the floor. It was funny. But my tent used to be here. My mom put my turtle out yesterday. I was crying for a pretty long time. It was the second pet I really loved. The first one, my hamster Iceman. This is me when I was 9. You can see that I'm 9. I love nature. I had a pet lizard. Let him loose. I didn't get him from PetSmart or anything. Some of those people who think that. But my favorite YouTubers are Jacksepticeye. My friends are Instagram, the one, with Xbox 360, and one. His name is JJ. I have no idea where he lives, so this. But another friend named Chase. Chase and Chase have been together for a long time, since they were 5 and 6. And there's Chase. His Xbox 360 name is Mike Mike, and his Xbox One name is Orderly 2. And signing off. Is it over?